That's okay.
Moving the bus with a pouch on his hip. It's just like a joystick. And so he's very carefully lifting the chassis onto the body. They'll bolt them together. We'll continue to travel on the production line and be secured together. They bolt the seats to. So as you see right here, this is what they'll bolt the seats to. And so this allows a district to change the floor plan in the future. And it allows us to customize all the buses that we got. So if they want to, we have many different seat plans.
Come my way now, huh?
I got to come down and buy a Johnny hamburger and then.
Okay. All right, guys.
We're going to do interviews later. Perfect, thank you.